Here we are again, 515 Sheridan Avenue. Looks like somebody got a couple handfuls down there. Made sure the downspout was cleaned out. It's way down there on the end. Once again, a whole bunch of roof debris in the gutters. This would have been very easily rinsed out with a garden hose. See way down there where the water runs from the rain, where it rinses it down. Nobody took a bucket of water. Nobody took a garden hose. They didn't even run their hand through this. And just in that little bit that I just, was that a foot? And supposedly, though, this gutter's clean. Kevin Myers wanted me to pay him to clean it. And needless to say, it was a real pathetic job.